Hi beauties, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to be getting ready with me for my 21st birthday dinner. So if you guys want to see how I did this look, please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below, and let's get on into it. Today is also my birthday. Yes, my birthday is on Christmas Day. Obviously, I can't celebrate today like people normally do on their 21st. I'm gonna have to wait a few days because nothing's open today. Honestly, I've always spent my birthday with my family and I've always loved it and been so grateful to get to spend it with my family. I honestly wouldn't want to have it any other way. So today I'm just gonna take you guys are just gonna get ready with me for my 21st birthday dinner. I have my aunt and uncle coming over and my little cousins coming over, so we're gonna have fun. You guys have seen my little cousin Allie many times on my channel, so she's gonna be here tonight. It's gonna be super fun. And yeah, so here is my 21st birthday makeup routine. Okay, so before I start, unfortunately, the dress that I had talked about in Vlogmas didn't come yet. It didn't make it in time. So I found a replacement dress that I had previously worn my freshman year of college to one of our school dances. Hold on, my necklace is stuck on my shirt. This is the dress. It's kind of like a red wine color, so low-key kind of perfect for a 21st birthday vibe. The reason why I was like, okay, wait, this is actually kind of perfect is because my mom gifted me some Charlotte Tilbury stuff for my birthday or Christmas, whichever one. It's berry toned, so we're gonna be using this today. I'm starting with Milk Hydro Grip Primer to prime my skin. And then I'm going into my Rare Beauty foundation in the shade 210N. I'm almost out of this one, and this genuinely is my favorite foundation because it covers, but it's not full coverage, it's not super heavy. So that's what I really like about it. And then I'm using the Morphe Ariel foundation brush to blend that in. These brushes, you guys, are genuinely the best brushes ever. They're so good. I got them for my mom for her birthday because of how much I loved them, and then she saw me using them and she was like, these are actually really nice. What? And I was like, I got you, girl. Also, you guys, so I've been doing the Vlogmas and I was doing so well, no issues, and then my computer pops up with the boop, out of disk storage. I get so frustrated because I would have that issue come up, so I went to the Apple store and bought a legit computer with hella terabytes to make sure that this wouldn't happen. And of course, it happens. I mean, it happened a lot later than it would have happened if it was a different computer, but I swear it happens at the same time every year. Anyway, so that's what's holding back me finishing my Vlogmas is I actually physically cannot import anything until I finish my video project that I've worked 2 years on. But I'm almost done. Can you tell that my skin is literally... This top was so loose earlier, to the point where everything was falling out. So I re-tied it in the back so that it would literally be a normal top. But I accidentally tied it too tight. So last night at midnight, because everyone's with their families, all my friends are gonna be with their families on their birthday, right? And I don't wanna take them away from their families. My gosh. So I had two of my really good friends come over at midnight last night, and we took shots together, popped a bottle of champagne, and just hung out, and it was really fun. It was really nice, and it was just lots of love in the air. It was just a very genuine happy little moment. I never had friends with me on my actual birthday, so it was really nice to get to have an experience like that. So Rachel and Dylan, thank you so much for being with me and making the first few hours of my birthday feel so amazing and so fun. So I'm going into Jaclyn Hill Brightening Light Banana, and I'm just gonna place that under my eyes. And then I'm using Glamour Bronze from Morphe. This one's in this shade Icon, and I'm just gonna use that as my bronzer. I'm also using the Jaclyn Hill JH02 brush, and this is my favorite bronzer brush. And this, so I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury blush, and this is in Pillow Talk. Okay, I'm gonna do my brows off camera really quick, but I'm using Morphe brow pomade in Hazelnut. We're gonna do our eyes now, so I'm gonna grab P. Louise base in Rumor 2. So then I'm gonna dive into the Charlotte Tilbury Walk of No Shame palette, and I'm gonna go into I can't even read this. What? I cannot read that. And I have like good eyesight. Anyway, going into this berry shade, we're gonna have a shimmered eye look. Okay, the pigment on that, girl. Okay, so then I'm gonna take a clean brush and blend that out. Next, I'm gonna go into this shade right here, and I'm gonna apply that just as my top lid shade. And then I'm gonna go into this lighter shade in the top corner, and I'm gonna put that in my inner corner and kind of blend up. Time to do the lips. I'm using MAC lip liner in Soar. I did Physicians Formula Diamond Plumping Gloss for the gloss on my lips. And it looks so good. Yeah, I just have to plop on some lashes, and then I'm done. Oh my gosh, also you guys, look at how stinking cute these pajama bottoms are. Every year me and my mom get matching pajama bottoms, or just like pajama set for Christmas, and these were this year's. I think I'm gonna wear my favorite lashes today, which is from Velour in style Sinful. They're the best. Since I have to remove these lashes to put these on, I will just be right back. What do we think, ladies and gents? I actually love it. I did the hair, but I'm letting it set right now, so I haven't combed my fingers through it quite yet. But okay, I'm gonna kind of put some jewelry together and then let my hair do its thing, and then I'll be back. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have an amazing holiday season. Be safe, drive safe, don't drink and drive. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for supporting me, and I can't wait for another year. Please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below, and I look forward to seeing you next video. Bye, beauties.